This is 3408 Kilmarnock Drive in Apopka, Florida. It's listed for $699,000, and today is June the 24th, 2021. And we're in a cul-de-sac. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, for almost 4,200 square feet, built in 2000. So everything looks pretty good. Has a wedge-shaped front yard, so it's not very large, but the backyard is huge, and you're backed right up to conservation. So I believe this is a state park back here. I don't think it will ever be built on. So there is a lot of land back here. There is no pool screen, but you know, there are some misting tools that you could use to keep the bugs away, and you know, a lot of people use them around here. This is a basketball court. And it looks like it even has lights on it. A huge back porch, and it looks like a summer kitchen. Okay, here is your grand entrance. Okay, so as we walk to the front door, here is our formal living room overlooking the pool and the backyard. To the right is an office. It has a closet, so I mean, this it may be including this as a bedroom. So this is room number 1. To the left here is a formal dining. Continue on to the left. Has nice wood floor, real wood. Tile in the laundry room, and they've got 2 washers and 2 dryers. 3-car garage. Looks very, very good. Very big. Lots of room in the laundry. Okay, and then we have a Jack and Jill bedroom, or 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. Good size, nice view. Here's your bathroom. And here's our up here. Okay, upstairs we've got another little landing. This could be an office, I suppose. This must be an office. Another full bath. So this could be a guest suite or a bedroom. And as typical in these homes, I know this floor plan. Here's your master. It's a very large one too for this floor plan. Summer kitchen right outside. Great view. And here's your master closet. It's a walk-through closet. So that would be 5 rooms if they counted the office as a bedroom. And then here's the kitchen. Wow. Really nice. Huge. Very pretty granite. Really nice floors. This is a Wolf gas stove. That's a stove. And there's a lot of storage space in here. And that is a Sub-Zero refrigerator. And here's our master, or I'm sorry, our pool bath, and then another suite. So I would say this is 5 bedrooms, including the office. That's an interesting looking door. And there's plenty of room out here, I would say. It's a really nice summer kitchen too. Twin Eagles. Wow. It's one of the nicer ones I've seen. Okay, so there we have it. $6.99. Talk to you soon.